Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Well, it's that time of decade again. Every 10 years or so you need to replace your smoke alarms, and we are at about an 8-year point for ours, but we started to get the nuisance alarms, which is the system telling us it's time to replace them. So I went out and bought a 4-pack, but I thought it'd be a good chance to show you how to change an old smoke detector to a new smoke detector. And if you're cleverly or listen closely, you heard the chirp in the background. So we're going to go upstairs. I've got the ladder set up, and I'll show you how to pull the old one down and how to make sure the new one goes into place successfully and without a hitch. What I'm using this time, it's a little different than the last one. There's still kitty detector smoke alarms. It's hardwired with a battery backup. The battery backup this time is AA batteries versus the old 9-volt. The only thing I would suggest that would be a little bit of a hack is to make sure you have a Sharpie or something so you can write down the installation date on here, because chances are you'll forget. And I looked on my old one before making this video, and they went on there in 2017, so about 9 years. So right on line with their 10-year life cycle. It is now 2026. Let's go upstairs and figure out how to do this. All right, here we are upstairs. You can see we've got a smoke detector right next to I think it's a fire detector, and this is chirping. I've already pulled out the old battery, and you can see the old installation date on the side, but I wanted to show you how to get it off the ceiling. Basically, just use your hand and twist it to the left, and we are hardwired into the house, and you can see right there. This does have a battery backup, but I already pulled that out. To get the clip off, basically you just pinch it on the left and right there and pull it straight out. It's just pinch on either side and pull straight out. Pinch and pull out. There we go. Before we go ahead and replace them, let's open it up and check it out, because we might be able to reuse some of the parts without doing a lot of extra work. So when you open this up, they're sealed in plastic. It comes with the wire adapter to go into your house's power system. And I want to take a look at this to see if it will work on the old one, see if they're the same. But this part, basically, take it out of the plastic. It has a dust shield in there. It has a ceiling mount panel here that might be the same as the old one. So I'm going to go upstairs and see if this one just fits, because why replace this if it's just the same? It's just a mount. Standard on the back, you have to pull out the battery tab so it's activating the battery. But before we go too much further, I'm going to take this little power plug adapter and see if it's the same as the old one. Okay, I've got the new one and the old one. Let's get up there to compare. So right away I can tell that the hole pattern is the same, but this one's got this big plastic piece here to make it kind of plug 90 degrees into it. So it basically means this is not going to work. We'll have to pull it out, and because it's wired into the ceiling, flipping off the circuit breaker is the next step. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and wire this one in. Pretty standard. Just follow the red, black, and white wires. I'll do it quick time so I don't bore you. Pull off the little shield and plug the new power into it. It's already got the battery backup in there, so this just slides in. There we go. So we're in place, and now put the ceiling mount, twist it into place. There we go. That's really all there is to it. Just make sure you turn off the power and go ahead and change everything out, make sure the batteries are good, and you are good for another 6, 8, 10 years. Whatever they advertise on the smoke detector. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.